A cluttered closet can be a source of daily frustration, making it challenging to find what you need and leaving your clothes and accessories in disarray. Thankfully, Amazon offers a treasure trove of closet organizers that can transform your chaotic closet into an organized haven. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Vertical Organizer. For those who prefer to store jeans, pants, or leggings in drawers, meet this fantastic organizer. Affordable and practical, it unfolds to let you neatly fold your clothing vertically. It offers a clear view of your entire collection, making finding what you need effortless. It also adds visual appeal to your drawer, combining functionality with aesthetics. Shelf dividers. For those dealing with messy closet shelves, especially in high-up areas, these clear shelf dividers are a lifesaver. They effortlessly slide onto your shelf, creating organized spaces for items like shirts, sweaters, and jeans. Keep your closet neat and clutter-free with this practical solution. Box Legend. For immaculately folded clothes that rival department store standards, the Box Legend is a must-have. This budget-friendly gadget unfolds to guide you through the precise folding process, turning shirts and pants into perfectly uniform stacks with just a few flips. It streamlines your folding routine and elevates the presentation of your clothes, giving them a polished, store-like appearance. It's a game changer for achieving that neat, organized look effortlessly. Hanging Shoe Organizer. Beyond shoes, you can use it for various purposes, like organizing snacks in your pantry. However, it shines when it comes to shoe organization because of its vertical design, which maximizes space. Simply slide your shoes in, and you can effortlessly see your entire collection at a glance. It's a space-saving solution with multiple practical applications. S-Hooks. The budget-friendly wonders of S-Hooks and jeans hangers offer an affordable solution to jeans storage. Fold your jeans in half, loop the back through the loops, and hang them up. It's that simple. The result? Your jeans display beautifully, resembling a boutique or department store, making the selection process a breeze. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, this method is incredibly practical, making jean maintenance a stress-free endeavor. So, as you peruse your neatly arranged collection, you'll feel like you're shopping in a high-end store, all thanks to these affordable, space-saving gems. Shoe boxes. For a growing shoe collection, consider transparent plastic display shoe boxes with doors. While assembly may be initially tricky, the customization options are worthwhile. Arrange them on a shelf, slide in your shoes, and easily see everything. These boxes are a pleasant surprise for both storage and closet aesthetics. Expandable Shoe Rack. This sleek black rack is available in a variety of colors to suit your interior decor needs. What makes it truly exceptional is its adaptability, making it an ideal fit for your closet or bedroom. The standout feature of this shoe rack is its expandable design, offering you the flexibility to tailor it precisely to your available space. Whether you want to accommodate a specific number of shoes or simply desire a snug fit in a particular area, this rack can effortlessly be adjusted to meet your requirements. Purse Hanging Organizer. This hanging purse organizer is a game changer. It accommodates a variety of bags, from clutches to crossbody and shoulder bags, with expandable compartments that slide in effortlessly. What sets it apart is its rotating feature, allowing easy visibility of your entire collection. A must-have for bag enthusiasts looking to declutter and showcase their collection. Hanging Jewelry Organizer. On one side, you'll find an array of little boxes tailored for your earrings, rings, bracelets, and pendants. It's incredibly spacious and features various sizes to accommodate your jewelry collection effectively. Now, when you flip it around to the other side, you'll discover nifty hooks designed to neatly hang your necklaces, ensuring they stay tangle-free. Retrieving your favorite pieces is a breeze. This organizer can hold an impressive amount of jewelry, all while seamlessly fitting into your closet without taking up much space. Stackable jewelry trays. For those who prefer jewelry boxes, displays, or drawer organizers, this versatile item is highly recommended. It's a true multitasker because the drawers are stackable, allowing you to customize it to your liking. Stack them up for a jewelry box on your dresser, closet, or shelf. It's effortless and stylish. Alternatively, unstack a few or lay them out flat in your drawers for a boutique-like, customized look. Opening your drawer will feel like stepping into a stylish boutique. It's the perfect jewelry organization solution for any setup. Necklace bust. This decorative piece not only adds flair to your space, but also serves a practical function. You can elegantly display your favorite necklaces on it, making it a perfect fit for your closet or bedroom. In the morning, you can easily grab your necklaces, put them on, and then when you're done, hang them back up on the bust. It seamlessly combines utility with aesthetics, giving your space an elevated boutique-like ambience. Belt case storage. If you have a collection of belts, you'll adore this storage solution. It's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also exceptionally user-friendly. The magnetic lids make it a breeze to pop on and off, ensuring secure closure. Simply roll up your belts, and with a quick glance, you can see exactly what you need. Grabbing your belts has never been easier or more stylish with this clever storage solution. Lost socks bin. It's not only cute, but also incredibly practical. We all know the struggle of finding missing socks when we're putting away laundry. With this charming box, you can place those solo socks inside, and you'll always know where to find them when their missing soulmate turns up. It's a clever and adorable way to keep those elusive socks in check. Collapsing laundry baskets. Whether you have a spacious closet or a roomy laundry area, this ingenious invention is a must-have. It functions like a regular laundry basket when you need it, but the magic happens when it collapses flat for easy storage beside your washing machine or inside your closet when not in use. It's a truly remarkable space-saving solution. Sliding belt rack. If you have many belts, consider the sliding belt rack, a favorite of mine for years. It seamlessly blends into your space, mountable on a wall or inside your closet. Slide it out for easy access to your entire belt collection. It's a convenient and space-saving solution for organized, accessible belts. Sunglasses display and sunglasses tray. The sunglasses rack adds a touch of boutique-style elegance to your space. It beautifully displays your sunglasses, making them easily accessible and a visual delight. Alternatively, there's the sunglasses tray, perfect for those who prefer a different approach. You can place it on a shelf or neatly tuck it into a drawer, offering a flexible and stylish way to keep your sunglasses organized. Hat hanger. Hats can be quite the storage challenge, but I've discovered a nifty solution that comes in a set of two. Here's how it works. Take a regular hanger and attach the Velcro straps to it. Voila! You've transformed it into a clever hat storage solution. Now you can use the included clips to hang your baseball caps, winter hats, or even larger hats. Everything stays neatly together and is easily accessible in your closet. Hanger organizer. If you have a surplus of hangers, this organizer is a lifesaver. When your hangers aren't in use, simply slide them down over the organizer. It keeps them neatly stored and ready for action. Plus, it's incredibly convenient for transporting hangers to the laundry room when you need to hang up clothes. It's a practical and efficient solution for hanger management. Velvet hangers. A timeless tip: invest in matching velvet hangers. They save space, prevent clothes from slipping, and instantly make your closet look more organized and cohesive. Available in various colors and highly rated on Amazon. Elevate your closet organization effortlessly. Drawer dividers. Optimize your drawer organization with these game-changing dividers. They excel in functionality and customization, coming in a pack of 4 in various colors. What sets them apart is their remarkable flexibility. Adjust their length effortlessly to fit your needs. Whether you want to divide your drawer in half or create a tailored layout, these dividers offer unparalleled customization for organized living. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.